everyone. Today let's see how to work VLOOKUP function in Excel. So what does it do? This function scans down the row heading at the side of a table to find a specified item. When the item is found, then it is scanned across to pick a cell entry. So let's see how it is work. So first of all, type a month to look for. Type a month to look for. Merge the cell. Okay, now I'm going to use to look for Feb month. Then which column need to be picked out? Which column needs to be picked out? And I'm going to pick it out. First of all, merge the cell. Now I'm going to pick it out 4 number column. Okay, now let's use the VLOOKUP function. So the result is VLOOKUP. First of all, item to find. So the item to find is a range item specified by the user. So I'm going to use FF to find, comma, second range to looking in. So the range to looking in is the range of a data with the row heading at the left hand side. So let's have a select it, comma, column to pick from. Okay, the column to pick from is how far across the table the function should look to pick from. So I'm going to pick 4, then use sorted unsorted. The sorted unsorted is whether the column heading are sorted. True for yes, false for no. So I'm going to use false. Close the parenthesis, enter the hit. As you can see, we got the result 100 for the Feb month. If I will change the column position, then I'm going to use 3. You can see the result is 90 on the column 3. I'm going to use 2. Let's see, result is 80 on the column 2. So this table is used to find a value based on a specified name and month. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel. Bye.